Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup, and I'm super excited because we're going to do a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the products and techniques out there, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's keep it simple, fun, and totally achievable. So, grab your products, and let's get started. First things first. Cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. This step is crucial, not just for makeup but for your skin's health. You want to start with a clean canvas, right? So, use your favorite cleanser to wash your face. After that, don't skip the moisturizer. Hydrated skin is happy skin, and it helps your makeup go on smoother. And of course, sunscreen is a must. Even if you're just staying indoors, UV rays can sneak in. So, slather on that SPF. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now that we've got our skin prepped, let's move on to primer. Think of primer as the glue that holds your makeup in place. It helps to fill in any pores and gives your foundation something to stick to. Just a pea-sized amount is all you need. Apply it evenly across your face, focusing on areas where your makeup tends to fade or wear off quickly. You'll be amazed at how much smoother your foundation goes on after this. Speaking of foundation, it's time to add some color. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. If you're unsure, test a few shades on your jawline. Once you've found the one, use a damp beauty sponge or a brush to apply it. Start from the center of your face and blend outwards. Remember, less is more. You can always build up coverage if needed. The goal here is to even out your skin tone without looking like you're wearing a mask. Now, let's cover any dark spots or blemishes with concealer. This is your secret weapon. Use a small brush or your fingertip to dab a little concealer on those trouble spots. Blend it in gently, and voila! Those pesky spots are gone, and your skin looks flawless. Next up is contouring. Don't worry, we're not going for a full Kardashian look here. A little bronzer can go a long way. Use a fluffy brush to apply bronzer in the hollows of your cheeks, along your jawline, and a bit on your forehead. This adds dimension to your face and gives you that sun-kissed glow. And don't forget highlighter. Apply it to the high points of your cheeks, down the bridge of your nose, and on your brow bone. This will give you that radiant, healthy glow we all want. Now, let's talk blush. A pop of color on your cheeks can brighten up your entire look. Smile, and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it back towards your temples. You want it to look natural, like you just came in from a brisk walk. Alright, we're almost there. Let's move on to eye makeup. For beginners, I recommend starting with a neutral eyeshadow palette. Choose a light shade for your lid, a medium shade for your crease, and a darker shade for the outer corner. Blend, blend, blend. Finish off with a coat of mascara to make your lashes pop. And for your lips, pick a lipstick or gloss that makes you feel confident. A nude or soft pink is always a safe bet for a natural look. Finally, we can't forget the setting spray. This is the cherry on top. A quick spritz will lock in your makeup and keep it looking fresh all day long. And there you have it. A simple, beautiful makeup look that's perfect for beginners. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so don't stress if you don't get it perfect the first time. Practice makes progress. Thanks for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Happy makeup-ing!